10 Common Grammar Pitfalls for C1 Advanced English. Pitfall number 1. Subjunctive mood. The mistake. I suggest that he goes to the meeting. I suggest that he go to the meeting. Why it's wrong. After verbs of suggestion, recommendation, or demand. Suggest, recommend, demand. Recommend, insist, demand, require, request, propose. We use the base form of the verb, not the conjugated form. Key trigger verbs. Suggest, recommend, propose, insist, demand, require, request, advise, urge, ask. More examples. The doctor recommended that she take the medicine daily. It is essential that everyone be on time. I insist that he apologize immediately. Adjectives that also trigger subjunctive. After. It is plus adjective plus that. Use the subjunctive. Importance, necessity. Essential, necessary, vital, crucial, critical, important, imperative. Recommendation. Advisable, recommended, suggested, preferable, desirable. Requirement. Mandatory, required, obligatory, compulsory. Examples. It is essential that he be present. It is important that she arrive on time. Nouns that trigger subjunctive. After certain nouns plus that, recommendation, suggestion, proposal, demand, requirement, request, insistence, order, command. Examples. My recommendation is that he take the position. The requirement is that she attend the orientation. Pitfall number 2. Mixed conditionals. The mistake. If I had studied harder, I would pass the exam now. If I had studied harder, I would have passed the exam. If I had studied harder, I would be successful now. Why it's wrong. You must match time frames in conditionals. The past condition, had studied, can lead to past result, would have passed, or present result, would be. But the verb forms must match the time. The two patterns. Pattern 1. Third conditional, past, past. If I had eaten breakfast, I wouldn't have been hungry. Pattern 2. Mixed conditional, past, present. If I had eaten breakfast, I wouldn't be hungry now. Quick rule. Past condition, had plus past participle plus past result, would have plus past participle, or present result, would plus base verb. Pitfall number 3. Inversion after negative adverbials. The mistake. Rarely I have seen such a beautiful sunset. Rarely have I seen such a beautiful sunset. Why it's wrong. When we begin a sentence with negative or limiting adverbials, we must invert the subject and auxiliary verb, like in questions. This creates emphasis. Trigger words that require inversion. Rarely, seldom, never, hardly, scarcely, barely. Not only no sooner, only after, only when, under no circumstances, at no time. More examples. Never have I been so shocked. Not only did she win, but she also broke the record. Hardly had I arrived when the phone rang. Under no circumstances should you give up. Pitfall number 4. Cleft sentences. The mistake. It was the manager who he approved the budget. It was the manager who approved the budget. Why it's wrong. In cleft sentences, it was who that. We don't repeat the subject with a pronoun. The who or that already connects to the subject. Structure. It plus be plus focus plus who slash that plus verb. No extra pronoun. More examples. It was Maria who called you yesterday. It is passion that drives innovation. It was in Paris that we met. Common error. Pattern. It was John who solved the problem. It was John who solved the problem. Pitfall number 5. Participle clauses, dangling modifiers. The mistake. Walking down the street, the trees were beautiful. Walking down the street, I noticed the trees were beautiful. Why it's wrong. The subject performing the action in the participle clause, walking, must be the same as the subject in the main clause. Trees can't walk. The rule. Participle subject equals main clause subject. They must match. More examples. Having finished dinner, the movie started. Having finished dinner, we started the movie. Written in 1813, many people love Pride and Prejudice. Written in 1813, Pride and Prejudice is loved by many. Looking out the window, the mountains were stunning. Looking out the window, I saw the stunning mountains. Pitfall number 6. Advanced passive structures. The mistake. The project is being considered to cancel. The project is being considered for cancellation. Canceling the project is being considered. Why it's wrong. Some verbs, consider, believe, think, expect, require specific patterns in passive voice. You can't just add to plus infinitive directly. Correct patterns. Pattern 1. Use a noun. The proposal is being considered for approval. Pattern 2. Use gerund as subject. Implementing the changes is being considered. More examples. She is believed to have talent. It is believed that she has talent. Pitfall number 7. Reported speech with modals. The mistake. She said she must finish it yesterday. She said she had to finish it the day before. Why it's wrong. Must. Expressing obligation changes to had to in past reported speech. Also, time expressions must change. Yesterday, the day before. Modal changes in reported speech. Must, obligation, had to will, would. Can, could. May, might. Important. Exception. Must. For deduction, certainty stays as must. She said it must be true. More examples. He said he would call me tomorrow. He said, I will call you tomorrow. She said she could help. She said, I can help. Pitfall number 8. Future perfect versus future continuous. The mistake. By next year, I will be working here for 10 years. By next year, I will have worked here for 10 years. Why it's wrong. Future continuous will be plusing. Describes an action in progress at a future time. Future perfect will have plus pp. Describes an action completed by a future time. The difference. Future. Continuous. Action in progress. This time tomorrow, I will be flying to Paris. In progress. Future. Perfect. Action completed. By tomorrow evening, I will have arrived in Paris. Completed. Quick tip. Use by plus time with future perfect. Use at plus time or this time with future continuous. Pitfall number 9. Wish plus past perfect. Regrets. The mistake. I wish I didn't go to that party last night. I wish I hadn't gone to that party last night. Why it's wrong. For past regrets, we use wish plus past perfect, had plus past perfect, not wish plus past simple. Past simple is only for present wishes. The 3 wish patterns. 1. Present wishes. Wish plus past simple. I wish I had more time. I don't have time now. 2. Past regrets. Wish plus past perfect. I wish I had studied harder. I didn't study hard enough. 3. Future wishes. Wish plus would. I wish it would stop raining. I want it to stop. More examples. Check mark. I wish I hadn't eaten so much. Past regret. Check mark. She wishes she had taken the job. Past regret. Pitfall number 10. Ellipsis and substitution. The mistake. Wrong. She has visited London, and he has visited it too. Correct. She has visited London, and he has too. Correct. She has visited London, and so has he. Why it's wrong. When we use ellipsis in English, we avoid repeating information that's already clear from context. This creates redundancy. You're saying the same thing twice when once is enough. Correct patterns. Pattern 1. Auxiliary plus to or either. She is studying and I am too. He doesn't like coffee and I don't either. Pattern 2. So or neither plus inversion. She is studying and so am I. He doesn't like coffee and neither do I. More examples. I have been to Paris and she has too. I have been to Paris and so has she. More examples. Example 1 with do. Wrong. He plays tennis, and I play it too. Correct. He plays tennis, and I do too. Correct. He plays tennis, and so do I. Example 2 with have. Wrong. She has visited London, and he has visited it too. Correct. She has visited London, and he has too. Correct. She has visited London, and so has he. Example 3 with will. Wrong. They will attend the meeting, and we will attend it as well. Correct. They will attend the meeting, and we will too. Correct. They will attend the meeting, and so will we. Example 4. Negative with don't, doesn't. Wrong. I don't eat meat, and she doesn't eat it either. Correct. I don't eat meat, and she doesn't either. Correct. I don't eat meat, and neither does she. Example 5. With be verb. Wrong. John is tired and Mary is tired too. Correct. John is tired and Mary is too. Correct. John is tired, and so is Mary. Example 6. Negative with be. Wrong. He isn't ready, and they aren't ready either. Correct. He isn't ready, and they aren't either. Correct. He isn't ready, and neither are they. Example 7. With modal can. Wrong. She can swim, and I can swim as well. Correct. She can swim, and I can too. Correct. She can swim, and so can I. Example 8. More complex with would. Wrong. I would love to travel, and my brother would love to travel too. Correct. I would love to travel, and my brother would too. Correct. I would love to travel, and so would my brother. Follow for more nuanced grammar tips that will help you sound truly natural in English.